put yourself down. Don't let these thoughts up in your head dictate your worth now. Don't let these comments in these streets distract your workflow. Don't let the air in this beat distort your echo. Don't tell yourself I'm simple, know your worth. There's voices in your ears, that's probably what they said. Don't play yourself. I'm simple, know your worth. Your loss leads to rebirth. Your gold beneath the earth. Just stand your ground. Don't let the water in your system make you drown. Adjust your crown. Don't let nobody tell you how to put it down. Just tell yourself you've been rising since birth. They can't copy your work. Now silence what they say. Don't tell yourself your story's in reverse. Right waves just learn to surf. Stay strong in your mindset. Don't tell yourself I'm swim who know your worth. The loss leads to rebirth. You're all beneath the earth. Keep your feet on the ground and tell the world about the truth that you have found. You are profound. Don't stop the rhythm till the sun comes back around.